Today I'm going to make Charlie's Trident from Has Been Hotel. For a lot of my props, I like to use my 3D printer, but it is not working right now, so I'm going to be using PVC pipe, wire, aluminum foil, and clay foam. I made a base structure with the wire, then I scrunched on aluminum foil until I got the shape I wanted. I like doing it this way instead of making it entirely out of foam because the aluminum foil is cheaper. As I spread the clay over the top of the aluminum foil, I use my fingers to slowly smooth it out and make it an even surface. If you put a little bit of water on your fingers, it especially helps you smooth out those bumps. The end of the trident is a little snake, so I sculpted a little snake head on the bottom cap of my PVC pipe. The foam clay that I purchased came with these little tools, but you could always use like a pencil or something else to sculpt the eyes and nose. After letting our clay completely dry, I sanded the whole thing. This takes off any little bumps we missed. Next, I'm going to make the apple in the same way that I made the trident. I scrunched some aluminum foil into the rough shape of an apple or what I want, and then I'm adding the clay on top, smoothing it out. Try to make your apple semi-flat so that it's easy to attach to your trident. The next step is painting. So I'm going to spray everything. Be sure to use a primer or Plasti Dip on your clay foam. Clay foam absorbs a lot of paint just like EVA foam does. So it's important that you put that Plasti Dip on first. Next, put your desired color of paint onto all of your pieces. Once you assemble your pieces, you can start putting clay along the PVC pipe to create the rounded snake. Adding the gold paint at the end is kind of the hardest bit. It takes lots of layers and patience. And after all of those steps, you should have a trident. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more cosplay content.